Hi everybody, I'm back for another video. This is a special unboxing or unpackaging, and Chic Sparrow recently had a sale on the 2.0 Facebook group for an A6 Folio. Now, I know most of you are thinking, but John, you tried A6 at the beginning of this year. It's not your jam. It's not your size. True, it is. It's not my size for like a traveler's notebook everyday carry. But I do have one, I guess you'd call it a folio. This is a Foxy Fix in the pumpkin spice. And in it, I have a Taroko Shop dot grid notebook. I think it's called an Enigma. And then I have the 2019 Hobonichi Weekly insert. And of course, a couple of writing boards. So I have it for the intended purpose of this. The husband and I are going to be taking some classes together at Temple. He's actually Jewish. And, you know, we got married. This will be kind of like a talkie unboxing, so if you don't like those, I'm sorry. You can mute and play whatever music you love. We got married just recently after President Trump became president, started doing all of these different bans. So we got married a little sooner than we were wanting to. It was something that was still going to happen, but it was something that we were afraid that that right would be taken away from us. So we kind of had a quick little ceremony on a Friday, and then I had to be to work on Saturday because it was symphony. So it was you know, something we did quickly, but something that I always wanted to do was, he's very religious, and I'm not that I'm not religious, but being a classical musician, a lot of the times I'm either being hired to play at a church or a temple or somewhere, and so, like, for me, regular attendance is not a common event, except for maybe during a month or so during the summer, because of, you know, being, you know, if I have a performance that doesn't get out till 11 or 11:30 at night on a Saturday, the last thing I want to be, or on a Friday, or, you know, the last place I want to be on a Saturday or a Sunday morning, or a, you know, is, anyways, long story. So in the fall, we are going to be taking a Torah class, and I'm going to be starting to learn Hebrew. And so I've had this A6 Taroko Shop, which is Tomoe River paper. I think it's Tomoe River paper. In notebook, and I've been waiting for a purpose for it, and this is its purpose. So you'll see it came wrapped in the beautiful Chic Sparrow paper, and it's in a little bag, and their card. Let's see, did I get a sticker? So there's the card that explains information. Oh, I did get a sticker. It's a cute little squirrel. And, of course, the 5-year anniversary card that they're sending out with everything this year. So, let's set that stuff aside. He is so cute, the little squirrel. So cute. Oh my gosh. If this is what I think it is, I thought I saw what it said it was on the invoice. Oh my god. Look at this. This is a Darcy ink? No way. How freaking cool is that? I was so worried. I didn't put any, I know they said you could put a a note in, you know, if there was something you were liking or not liking. And I was like, no, I'm going to take a chance. And then I started seeing all of these beautiful photos on the Facebook group come up. You know, there was like these beautiful clairs and these browns and all these beautiful, some people had the blacks, but I think the, not the Pemberley version, but you know, the different versions. And I was like, oh no, and I hadn't seen that many pinks. And in the video that they had posted, I was like, oh, there were pinks. I don't need a pink. I don't want a pink. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Oh, very cool. And I'm not sure what type of leather it is they use on the inside, but it is so soft. I want to smell it. Let's smell it together. I love the ink. I had one, and I was so stupid. I had one of these before it was called ink. It had a different name, and I got a pocket in it. And I that was when I went through my I'm not using pocket phase, which I think most of us have learned, you know, that's just at that moment. There might come a time for you that you will use it. So hold on to it. If it really is something that you aren't going to use, you know, at the moment, hold on to it, because it might come back around. And oh my goodness, this is one that is not leaving. I think I'm going to have to hide this from the husband, because he was wanting something for his Torah class as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. And one thing, I wanted a Chic Sparrow Folio because they're a little bit thicker and firmer. When I first got this Foxy Fix one, you know, they had just come out with a simple style folio, and their folios don't look like this anymore. They have like a crisscross pocket, and they're much more, this is a really thin, flimsy leather, and flimsy not in a bad way. It's a very light leather, and that I think is nice, and I love the color. It's nice for a seasonal change. But I was looking for something that would be a little bit more, let's put the little squirrel away, would be a little bit more substantial. And so on the video, Jennifer says the way to put this in is to do it like this. And I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Wow, that's very easy. Wow. So this insert, or notebook, whatever you want to call it, is a Taroko Shop Tomoe River dot grid. It's in the A6 size. You can also get them in the A5 size. But one thing I also like about it is it has these pen test pages at the back. Because it does say on the cover that it's, you know, premium fountain pen paper. So you can, you know, swatch the ink, and then you can write, you know, the name of the ink, the pen, and the nib you were using. So you can, you know, really see how it works on this paper. And then it has like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has a calendar where you can track stuff. And then it also has this back here, 2018 and 2019. It has 2018 because I bought this in 2018. What does it have at the front? It has a start date and an end date and your information. It has a printed index, which is nice, which is a total of 4 pages. And then your dot grid starts. And you've got like 300 and some odd pages of dot grid. And I have 2 of these wonderful Taroko writing boards, but you also can get a weekly insert from Hobonichi, and I wonder, can you just slip it in? Maybe not. But, you know, it will work with it'll work with A6 notebooks. And that is gorgeous. And it says back there, Chic Sparrow, made in USA. And I love the ink leather, the Darcy ink. And it will scratch, it will show indentation marks if you get something on it. So, you know, if you want to, you can carry it around in your pouch or learn to love how it looks. Okay, so there's just a quick little unboxing of my Chic Sparrow ink from the sale. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will link Chic Sparrow as always, and I'll also link Foxy Fix since I showed their Folio, their old style Folio. They don't make that anymore. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.